Morning.
Karin ka.
Kaya pa man dito tayo sa Mr. Omar, Annalyn, Maglente, hello po. Hi, Annalyn. Hello, Omar. Thank you for joining. Kaya banana, kaya po. Gab, kumali ay nakamasahod ako. Ito yung hindi, ha? Balik. Ayuso Fekaya from Turkey. Hi, from Turkey. Good morning. Thank you. Amo si Comidas na Pantarvelas. What it means? What it means, man. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for likes.
tunay na mini-experiment. Ibuhos ang mantika sa isang baso. Magdagdag ng kaunting tubig. Tatak ng kaunting pangkulay. Ilagay ang isang effervescent tablet. Maghintay ng ilang sandali. Makikita mo ang isang nakamamanghang simulate na parang pagsabog ng lugar. Paghaluin ang asukal at dish soap sa isang tasa. Haluin mabuti at maaari mong ihipa ng ulam na hindi pumuputok. Ilagay ang isang itlog sa puting suka. Ibabad ito ng isang araw at isang gabi. Pagkatapos ay ilabas ito. Panlawan ang ibabaw at magkakaroon ka ng translucent
Thank you for watching.
kung maglalagay ka ng pinakang bowl sa tubig.
Thank you for hit the likes, everyone. Thank you for hit the like. Hello.
Magbuhos ng tubig, makikita mo na ang bola ay hindi lumulutang. Kahit kaano mo ibaluktot ang memory metal, sa sandaling mo ilagay
Salamat.
ito sa
Thank you
mainit.
so much.
Itong bumabalik sa
Cheryl, I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Thank you. Amadeo Blanco Rodriguez. Hi. Michelle Galihos.
baking soda.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Higgs. Higgs.
Sikat na Pharaoh
Higgs 777. Thank you.
ay hindi magic. Ito ay tunay na
Thank you, Sboot the like. Salamat. Aray mo. Alison. Thank you so much. Kaya kagising ko lang. Thank you to hit the likes. Thank you for the likes. Sabit mo daw, Kuya Gabi, na dito sa aligilid. Thank you for the 16 people. Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, ang dahil end season na nga pala ay nagsusunod at hindi ko na malaya na medical immortal na pala ako. Ngayong araw ko lang napa-immortal. Kung gusto mo din makapag-rank kapagad, ay gamitin mo lang ang filter sa video. Kaya panigurado magiging medical immortal ka din ngayong araw. Kung hindi ka naniniwala, ay pwede mo i-stalk ang ML account ko. Follow ko na rin dahil nandun nakalagay ang ginagamit ko na Hi guys, ang dahil end season na nga pala.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you, 17 people. Hi.
So dito guys, habang nag-chill-chill ako sa klase, may mayroon nakakilala sa akin na dito yung mga sinabi niya. At sinabi
Good morning. Good morning. QTR, QTR, QTR. QTR.
Siyempre, hindi tayo magpapatalo kasi kilala niyo naman ako kasi ako lang naman ang formal top 1 universe show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the 12 people. Thank you for the host. Hit the likes. Thank you so much. How are you, my friend? I'm fine. How about you? What are you doing? Gabriel. Gab. Ito na baga. You are still so beautiful to look at. Thank you. Merry Christmas all. Yes, Merry Christmas, everyone. Benson somewhere. Seventeen people. Hi. You were nice and I'm What's up? Hi, Joey. I'm going live. I'm fine. My friend, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm a Filipino. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. What part do you live at? Bicol Province, Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Do you Nazure? Hi, welcome here. Ashley. Thank you so much. Good morning, beautiful. Hi, John. Oh my God. Thank you for joining, John. Do you know where Dumaguete is? Yeah, it's part of province here in the Philippines. Nice Filipino country. Thank you, QTR. I know Dumaguete, sir. Anata Losheta ga Kiribiso Ichidaki Misita Hoshidiso Onika Ita Shimaso. What it means? What it means? It is Japanese, Chinese, Korean. Hello, 15 people. Did you sleep well there? Is I sleep okay. Not so well, but it's fine. Do you know if that's a good area for an American foreigner to live at? I live here in Bicol Province, Philippines, and good and beautiful place here. For me, because for me it is a good place, beautiful place, beautiful people, nice people. You need to live the nice people to live uh, in the part of the Philippines. What it means, what it means. I don't understand your language. And I don't. Mickey Mazon. Hi, Mickey Mazon. Nga nuts. Hi, nga nuts. You have a beautiful hair. Thank you, KGT. Aya puta. It's the south of Philippines, middle or more north. I'm living in the south part of the Philippines. South part. Jonathan Sindol. Hi sis, I'm watching from Mandong Bohangin, Davao City. Hi Jonathan Sindol from Davao City. Shout out to you. I don't understand the ano. Maybe you need to translate it in English. That's why I want to understand. So that's close to Mindanao then. No, not close in Mindanao. Not close in Mindanao and Bicol. Okay. Thank you to this hit the likes. Thank you so much for 14 people. You like to shampoo your beautiful hair for me. I take care of my hair. That's why I have but my hair is not grow like just long but not grow. Oy, may Japanese kang viewers sis. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan anong ibig niyang sabihin. Japanese. Hi, Japanese. I don't understand your language. Maybe translate it in English, please. Japanese pala siya. What's your age? My age is 40 years old. 40. Could you shampoo at this live stream? No. Hi, Sri Lanka. Oh, nice. You, sir, how old are you? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm turning 30 next week. Oh, really? Happy birthday, advance happy birthday. Hello friend. Hi. Thanks. Welcome. You are so cute. 20 years old. You're young. Still young like us. Okay. Same lang pala tayo ng edad sis. 40 na rin ako. Talaga boss. Jonathan. Siguro kabatch tayo. Hello, guapa. Hello, guapa from Jose. Hi, Jose. How are you doing today at PBM from Asad, Kashmir, Pakistan? I'm doing live. From where? From Philippines. 1985 ako, yes. I'm also 1985. That's why I'm 40 years old. I want to be 40. So, you will be 40 years old. Thank you for to those hit the likes. Thank you for. I like your channel. Thank you, Bernard. Thank you, Bernard. 12 likes. Thank you so much. I'm also moving to Dumaguete in 2 weeks from the United States. Do you have a Filipina girlfriend? That's why you move here. You're going to here. Are you planning to move here in Dumaguete in 2 weeks from the United States? You're planning. Oh wow, that's great. Do you buy a land area here? That's the I'm old. How old are you, Joey? Shuray. Nag-like na rin ako. Thank you for the subscribe and likes, Jonathans from Davao City. How to lose 24 years? Huh? How to lose? How to lose 24 years? What it means? What do you mean? Kaya Bonita Arabs. Hi. Not too old. Oh my god. Joey, it's not too old. No, I don't have a Filipino boyfriend. Also, why you want to move in here in the Philippines? Why? What happened? Why you moving here? If I lose 24 years, I can be 30. Oh, really? You're 24 years. You're old, 74. Oh, yeah. Are you 74 years old for making my son?
Son?
The son. What's going on? Hispania love from Jose. Sorry. More what it means. Nestor. Nestor. Hey, Nestor. Out muna ako sis. Bye-bye. Sige, thank you so much Jonathan Sindal sa pag-join. Thank you for your time to joining here. God bless you. Good morning. What do you do? What do you do? I'm doing live. I'm just retired from the United States military and I really visited the Philippines. Once I love the Philippines tropical nature. Ah, you will love here in the Philippines. I'm 64 years old. I'm 64. You're making me older. Ah, sorry. Sorry, sir. Making my son. Good to, maybe you're good to, ano, anywhere in the, anywhere here in the Philippines, I think good. It's beautiful. You will need to search ano, welcome to the Philippines, sir. DW. Fontainebleau, from United States, America.
And America versus Philippines.
United States, America. Eventually, I will find me beautiful Filipinas. I'm living there. Ah, you will find Filipina. Maybe you already find her. Guapissima. Guapissima. Maybe I add 10 years to you. Sorry, sir. I'm not good for mathematics. I'm not good in mathematics additional, you know. Mm, mm. Yeah. Hi po, Mark Johnson de la Rosa. Hello. Ilang taon ka na po? Mark Johnson de la Rosa. I'm 40 years old. 24, 40 na. 40. 40. Did may anak ka na po ba? Meron pa isa. It's okay. I'm just joking around. Thank you, sir. Making me son. You can send a gift to me here. It helps me. It helps me to earn. Thank you po. It's okay. It's like Fred's Camel. Hi. Tenerife Spaniel. Hi, Tenerife Spaniel. I'm so deeply wounded now. It's like a knife. You'll never hear. Sing harder. Hi, Mehmet. Have a great broadcast, buddy. Happy birthday. Not my birthday. Oh my god. Tommy Boy. Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Tommy Boy. Thank you for the 13 people. What's that? How are you, Cheryl? I'm fine.
Kasi naimot kita sa loading. Dali ah!
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you, Mickey Mason. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gift. God bless you. Thank you, Wealthy Uncles, for your support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the, thank you for the gift.
Sorry, di ko na-get. Doktor. Manager. Nagano na doktor sa kapay. Wang ka na mo. Masakal.
welcome to Mickey Manas. Welcome, bro, Mickey Manas. Thank you, Mickey Manas. Son.
6.5.
God bless you po. Welcome si Aras Megwapa. Thank you so much.
Mamaya matatong muna kami sa pasakay tabi ha. Napapansin mo. Tawid ka na lang.
Thank you for 19 people. Thank you so much.
Sir, tadi niya diyo. Saan tadi? Amo ini. Kayak gini-gini.
Na may kulang pa. Ito niya din
Kasi niya may bakal yun.
sa South Star.
Bakal.
Para man dito ano? Lalo na yan pag sa ano lang sa daan sa generics.
Bababa lang tiro.
Hindi pa man kay ano, nabakal ko pa man lang ano. So, friends waiting on the roof. Let's come down, please. Let's go, malaman mo na init. Oh, thank you for the likes. 15 likes now. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? To Dalanan, Babang. Where are you going? Oh my God. Where are you? Can you kiss me, come on, baby? Baby. Come on. Kiss. Oh, wow, she's beautiful, Babang. Say hi, say hi. Hi. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Yep. Malihan ka na malaba? Usaga na lang. Malaba ka. Wala ka magsimun saga. May mong ka. Saga na lang kayo. Ganyan. Ganyan na. Wait lang. Yes. My brother said that my girlfriend used to write me letters that look like paper. No, he's my brother. My God, he's my brother. Let's go to the laundry. You like that song, Bobby? I just sing.
Hila?
Ready?
Bata na lang sila ng gawa na powder ng gawa.
Hello. Welcome, my mom. Good respect. Thank you so much for protecting my child. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Hi, where are you in the world? Hi, sir. I'm from Philippines. From Philippines. And you, where are you from? This is the real Kenneth. This is the real Kenneth. Hi, sorry name. Sorry name. Johan. Denmark. I wow from Denmark. Nice to meet you here, Sir Kenneth. Thank you for joining the live. I'm from Philippines. Canarias, España. Canarias, España. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, sir. Jose. Thank you, Jose. From España.
Ilan na daw?
Nais kong malaman mo maiibig kita. Thank you, 16 people. Yo, English. Jose English. Jose. Nagawa. Nawala.
Tadi mau sama aku pulgos. Lubo.
Sunod din naman.
Hoy! Amen! Atik na daw? Engay!
Thank you.
Amen!
Yan ang pagkakas.
Sabay ka! Dahil ako!
Okay na.
Hi, thank you. My English is on the little.
Nakasalamat mo. Walang mo. Wala na ito ka.
Anak, kaya rin gusto ka ba?
Yeah. Talaga to.
Kabisik man. She doesn't speak English. Yeah. Si Dada.
Mahal ng hamba na kakay, kumapakit ng hamba na kakay, mahal eh.
Kasi nito na lang. Parang paghamba. Ayun sa no?
Minto?
Ayun sa no?
Kung bala,
Parang hindi mo bibida ako ka nakakuha.
pakito na yan, di mo ako dito.
Wow! Sana
Nilagyan mo ito.
siya bunso. Ano nung papagabi man, di pa baga siya maarap. Ampak. Ano ba?
Anong suranan ba?
Dati hirog sa nagkaroon niya, diri na.
Siya dito na ano na simento.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tulog.
Okay, na bye-bye.
Ito ang dalo sa diretso.
Ay, sige. Butang ko pa ini. Ah, sige.
Parang ito, baka may...
Ano yan? Ano, balitan na yan. Experience.
Oo, balitan ka.
Pwede naman na daw gasa.
Itaas na lang ang suot sino, bara. Diretso siya.
Batan sila. Ayun.
Baka ba diri masyado.
Baka mga anak, ano ah? Man, batang ka skin.
Pagpapangit mo na yun lang sa
Eh, kumulon.
Yung mo daw pag minagahig.
Gagi.
Tsakaraon.
Bato. Mas,
How old are you? I'm sure who is the
Pagod
other
mo na tulog?
moderator?
Bigyan si Ash, kinaawa.
She's Mehmet from Turkey. He's Mehmet from Turkey. Can I marry you? How you marry me?
Ada.
He asked about mud
Mainit yun,
yesterday. I
ano.
think yesterday he asked to give a jacket. Are you from Philippines? Yes, I'm from Philippines. Hello, Miss Cheryl. Daniel Rodriguez, hello. Thank you, Hussein. Okay. Thank you, Hussein. Thank you for Hussein.
Giri, ano?
Tama, ano na yung mga kailangan.
Lamaw lang ako sinila dala ate.
Tulo na kahoy? Upat? Kaya di pa.
Adalang kuman pa lang sa Noriga.
Nagilo na?
Giri, pabakal na nila kuya iking andwa.
Pagluwas, ang darag po.
Dalas ko nga, gusto ko na eh. Ang man sa imo.
May alaga pa kami sa iyo, Noray. Tulay. May tamang tao.
Ura,
Wala na. Andito.
katulay. Pakal, yun
Karabral. Primero na yun. Pang ano na. Pang tuluyat to niyan. Kay Muro.
Ah, sakato na kami.
Karabral.
Walang inanulig niyo. Nakato na kami ate.
Sige.
Ibilin nilang si Ash.
Gosh, no. I respect you.
Ayun sa nasa luwas ha.
Hi to Juan Lera. Sorry. Just so you see now. Canary Island, Spain. Okay. Canary Island, Spain. Thank you for watching, 8 people. Thank you for the 8 people. 20 likes. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. me your questions. Is it just me to the God. No more na. No more milk na. Thank you for me sick. Ask me the questions. Nobody said it was easy. I'm going back to the start. I'm going back to this. I like you, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for liking me. Going back to the start. For me to see where ask me your question. Oh my god. Let's see it. Dude, who is that woman? Hello, Merry Christmas from Igor Cross from Australia. Merry Christmas. Advance. Hello, darling. Peter. Hi, Peter. Where are you from?
Nice. Nice.
Dana! Hindi ko na naman dito ang biscuit mo.
Thank you for the likes. Nice. Nice. What nice. Hello, say I love you, Sumed. Dharma. I love you, Sumed. Hi, Simon. Red top or button? What it means? It is. What? Dharma, what is what? I don't understand. What is the blackberry story? No, I don't know. Good morning, Young Rihar.
Ayan na na-announce.
Coffee, yes, coffee. Drink coffee. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Science and hello, Miss Freaking Dawn. Hi. Hello, Sexy Peter. Hi, Peter. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Some questions. Some broken. What is your plan today? Plan today. Many plans. Laundry. Babang, come here. Wow, knocks naman. Ang ganda, Nay. Bang. Oh, bang. Officially, 5C. Kumusta ka? Okay naman po. Ikaw po, kumusta? Would you do private chat? No private chat here on YouTube. Singing, don't you try the Gina Enriquez. Ask me your questions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, you people here. Thanks a lot. Tell me the questions. Really love me. You look beautiful in the morning. Herb Gonzalez. Thank you, Herb Gonzalez. Tell me your questions. Oh my God, thanks a lot. 9 people watching here. Are you married man? No, woman. No ring. Yeah, but no. Where's someone? Give me necklace, the earrings. I have no. What are you doing today? Many things to do today. Every day is busy. The passion one. I'm from Philippines. Darmo. Show me your... Bang! Hoy! Come here! Hoy! Babang! Hoy! Come here! No. Kana may jabi kita. Ala, may chocolate ako. Tingnan mo ang chocolate ko. Amidan mo. Ay, chocolate ako ho. Ay, may chocolate ako. Babang, may chocolate ako. Yeah. Come here. Majabi kita, majabi. Ay, majabi kita ka na, majabi. Aray ka. Hello, Mikalan. Okay, thanks, you say. Welcome. Thank you to hit the likes. Oh my God. Tell me you're sick. Oh, thank you for the likes. Thank you po.
Baka nagkakanta. Babang!
Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Good morning, beautiful Cheryl. Good morning, sister. Exam. Thank you so much. The she is Guapa Cheryl. Merry Christmas. Hi, Beglon. Merry Christmas, Beglon. Thank you for the likes. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Beglon.
Wala na akong kape.
What's up, Beglon? Hey, hi, Wigs. Beglon. Hey, Beglon. Tell me your secrets. Ask me your question. Football game on there. The football is game over or done. How are you today, Cheryl? Hegs? I'm fine, Hegs. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Nobody's here was easy. It was a shame for a superheart. Nobody's here was easy. I'm going back to the start. I'm going back to the start. I'm going back to the start. Nobody sees easy. Huh? Oh my God. Thank you to those with the likes. Thank you so much.
Baby, may silang magamit para. Buya ka. Nanarang.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you so likes. Thank you for the likes. Good morning. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Gafar. Gafar. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for 11 people here. Thank you so much. Oh my god, the likes. Babang! Bang! Babang! Hey! Come here! Come here! Oh, come here! Ah, come here! I want to play the balloons. Come here, ma'am, Babang. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Gafar. Come here. Kiss Wawa. Kiss Wawa. Kiss Wawa. Okay, say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Oh my god. What is that? Cute bee. Yeah, the baby is cute. Say hi, baby. Yeah. Bye-bye. Say hi. Want to play na? Come on. Go. Play. Bye-bye. 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 Hello. Hi, little one. Thank you, Sir Chester. What time is it now? 9:36. Oh my god. Time so fast. Tell me your secrets. Tell me your questions. Did you go to the church? Not yet. Maybe afternoon or night here. Going. Oh, Sunday now. Thank you for watching. Tell me your secret. You know what, Chester? You only one member here. Know what they call this, the membership. Thank you. I see the red, the circle, the star of the circle. The star inside the circle. Thank you to the heart. Sending hearts. Thank you so much. Tell me your secrets. Tell me your questions. Ten people. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Secrets, ask me your questions. My God, time's so fast now. So fast. Thank you for the eating people. Oh my God, thanks a lot. Almost, almost 1.5 hours alive. Gab, paluwaya yun, Gab, kay si Papa iturog. Aray mo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Tell me what is changed. Nobody said he was easy. Thank you, 16 people. I'm going back to the start.
Bebe, wala na ang tatay ka. 17-3. Talaga.
Amin, ang damdamin na ngayong wala ka na sa aking piling. Hello, hello. Alaala ang kasama Balantan ang dati ang saya. Ngunit paano nga ba ang narito rin sa kantang lapis.
Ano sabi na? Ano ba? Ano ni kasi? Nain ano ba? Nain tingnan mo. Bakal? Ano ba?
Hello, hello. Thank you so much. Andang, come here, Andang. Ngunit paano nga ba ang Thank you 15 people. Thank you. Hope hit the likes. Thank you for the likes.
Kasi meron ka man.
someone just watching.
Oh, may kinaya na pa ito. Tidak ko pa nakapulis. Yabi, malamit ang gagsisin ko. Sabari. Tingnan ko pa na ako nabing. And na!
Thank you, 15 people.
Gogi!
I need to end the live now because
Kainin!
I need to do something. I need to prepare food and laundry, something like that. Thank you so much. Hope you join my live next live. Hope you join me next live. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for hit the likes. Thank you so much. God bless us, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting my channels. Thank you for the subscribe and watching my videos. Thank you. The most always here on the live. Thank you so much. God bless us, guys. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.